We sort of had a little bit of a scare when the game first started, and fair play to Cwmbrân, they put a lot of pressure onto us, and I think Georgia and her team have organised the team really well. So yeah, it was good for us. It was a good performance. I think we came out second half with a bit of a fire in our belly, and we're really pleased to get into that Welsh Cup final now.
I guess Tier 2 against Tier 1, it's always going to be a fight because they want to close that gap against us and prove that league isn't that far behind, really. So it was nice to see them come out and try and play some football today. And yeah, they give us a bit of a surprise in the first 20 minutes, but once we settled down and got our way, then things started to flow nicely for us.
It was always going to be a difficult game. We knew that. They were an excellent squad that Swansea have, and whoever they put out there, they were going to put a really good fight. But we were excellent in the first half, I thought. We limited their chances the best we could. They scored 3 excellent goals. We also created 2 or 3 ourselves, which I think if we score them, it has a bit of a different outlook on the game. But, lots of positives to take that we can now move forward with in the Adran South.
2 goals for yourself and an assist. You must be proud of that.
Yeah, definitely. It's always nice to get on the score sheet. But, the ultimate thing is we've come away with 6 goals today, and we're in that final, and everyone's buzzing about that.
We know that the status of what Swansea City Football Club has within Wales, so the pressure's always there to try and make sure that we are achieving these great things. So yeah, really pleased for us, and we spoke about it at the start of the season about what we wanted to achieve as a group, and silverware was definitely top of that list. So we're one step closer to that, and yeah, really pleased.
I think reaching any final, it means a lot to the club. We always want to be up there and fighting and challenging, and that goes same for the league and the Adran Trophy as well. So when we're in it and we're fighting for it, we're going to come and try and win it. So for us to be into another final, the club are obviously chuffed, but us as players and us as a group, we're over the moon today.
I think it's really important for us as a group that we enjoy today and make sure that we sort of recognise what we have done and made sure that we've got into that Welsh Cup final, and something we're really pleased with. So yeah, the next few weeks will be tough. We look forward to playing Cardiff again on Sunday, but yeah, today is about enjoying this.
We were a few players short today, lots missing through injury and illness, but the players that were on the pitch, the players that came on, you can't fault their effort and their confidence in the game to go out there and try and put a forward performance. Then we didn't want to just sit back and defend and take pressure all game. That's not my style. That's not what I wanted my players to do. We're better when we're trying to get into faces, and we just died off a little bit at the end with tiredness. But yeah, the effort was excellent, and we'll take this forward now and try and progress from it.